Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Winona Ryder inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to insert some pictures now on the screen. So as you can see from these pictures, Winona Ryder has a very fair skin complexion like myself, and it appears like she doesn't wear much foundation, and it looks like she doesn't really do the whole contouring, blush, or highlight thing. So I'm just going to use like a BB cream or a very thin foundation. I'm not going to contour at all. Her eyebrows are very thick, and so I'm going to make my eyebrows thick, and then she normally does a bold lip, and so I'm going to do a red lip. So now let's jump into the look. Winona Ryder has a very pale complexion like myself, and in the pictures it looked like, you know, she didn't really do any contour, blush, or highlight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face with the Dirty Works Touch and Glow Radiance Cream. And it adds a very nice shimmer to your skin to go under your foundation. So it looks like that when it comes out. And it adds a nice little shimmer to the skin. Okay, so I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Bring it down under my neck. So next I'm going to go in with the Almay Smart Shade Mousse makeup. And I am in the shade Light. It's 100. And it says it instantly transforms into your ideal shade. So basically, this foundation is very light. And it comes in a little pot like this, and it looks really pale, but then as you blend it onto your skin, it has the technology that kind of like turns into your skin color as you put it on. And so I'm going to apply this across my face with my fingers, and then I'm going to see if I need to use a sponge to pack it in. This is basically like a tinted moisturizer almost. And you don't need to go very heavy with this, but you can build it up. It's a light coverage foundation. But in the past I have had it cling on to dry patches, so I do not suggest caking it on in areas where your foundation will tend to look cakey. Since I rubbed it in with my hands, I'm just kind of wiping my hands off with a makeup wipe to avoid getting foundation everywhere. It's nice to have makeup wipes on hand off to the side while you're doing your makeup. And since Winona Ryder wears like it, you can tell she wears foundation, but it's like almost as if she's not wearing foundation, so I didn't need to go in with a sponge to blend it out. I just did a very thin layer across my whole face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and powder my face with the WetnWild, yes, the WetnWild Coverall Pressed Powder. I'm just going to do a very thin layer because we're trying to not look cakey. We're trying to look like we have natural, clear skin. Okay, so now that we're done powdering, I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. Oh my gosh. Winona Ryder's eyebrows are really dark because Winona Ryder has like black hair, and I think it's just like her eyebrows are naturally that thick and stuff. But as you can see, my eyebrows are very light and wispy, but they have a nice shape to them, and like they're full, but it's like you can't tell because my brows are so lightly colored. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. This is like a e.l.f. Brow Duo, and it's in the shade Light. It has like a colored wax on one side and then a powder on the other, and we're gonna try and give ourselves like some thick looking full brows. I'm going to be doing my brows with this e.l.f. eyebrow brush. One side has like a tapered brush to get those good lines and angles, and the other side has a spoolie. I used to use this all the time. The brow compact also has a little mirror in it, so it makes it very convenient. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but you can see this eyebrow now looks a lot thicker and fuller than this eyebrow. And if you're getting a little bit worried while you're putting the wax on, like, oh, this is looking a little bit crazy or too thick or dark, you can just go through with the spoolie and even everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to this eyebrow. So now my brows are done. Obviously her brows are darker because she has black hair. I suggest you should do your eyebrows to whatever color hair you want, or whatever color hair you have, or what color your roots are, because it just looks more natural that way. I just kind of really filled them in to try and make them look a lot thicker because her eyebrows are pretty thick. So now we're going to move on to eyeliner. I never really see her wear eyeshadow, but I did notice a little bit of black eyeliner. So that's what we're going to do next. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Graphic Marker Eyeliner. And the tip of it is like a little marker. I'm going in very close to the lash line. So as you can see, I've finished the first eye. It's not too thick, not too thin, and she didn't really do a wing or anything like that. And it's a little bit kind of messy looking at the edges because she has that like grungy look. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next eye. Okay, so now we're done with eyeliner, and I'm going to move on to mascara. I'm not putting on any like bottom eyeliner or waterline mascara. Waterline eyeliner or bottom eyeliner, we're not going to do that. We're just going to go straight to mascara now. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Bodybuilding Mascara by Radiance, and it's in a little mini tube. I got this from Walmart. This came in a pack with a liquid liner, so it was a pretty good deal. You get a little mini mascara and a liquid liner. Okay, so I finished this eye. I did 2 coats of mascara on the top lashes and 1 on the bottom lashes. You can tell a difference. I hope you can tell a difference. And now I'm going to move on to this eye. Okay, so now I've finished my lashes and we're done with the eyes and the face, so now we're going to move on to lips. Winona Ryder, from all the pictures I've looked at from like the 90s and the late 80s, her signature thing is like to have a boldish lip, very simple face makeup, very simple eye makeup, and a very bold lip. So I'm going to do a red lip. So first I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Lip Lock pencil to put around the edges of my lips so the lipstick does not feather out everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Rimmel London lipstick. It's from the like Kate collection. I don't know who Kate is, but she had a collection. And this is in the shade 31. This is kind of like a berry red, kind of like a cooler blue tone red lip. And this is the finished look. I'm really happy with this. I'll insert a picture again now. I think this is a very similar look, and I think you could definitely tell from the pictures and from this that it's a Winona inspired makeup look. You might not, you know, out on the street they might not be like, oh, that's Winona Ryder look, but if you look at her makeup you'd be like, oh, okay, that's Winona Ryder look. So I hope you enjoyed. This is a very simple look. This obviously took me longer since we were like filming, but if you really sat down to do this look, this should probably take you like 20 minutes or less to do. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out when I post. Thank you for watching. Bye.